Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for All. In this video, we will learn how to take a list of numbers and create a new list containing only even numbers using Python. So let's start with the program. Our first line is number equal to list map int input enter numbers separated by the space dot split. So here we are taking multiple numbers as an input from the user in a single line. The input function take the input as a string and the split function split the number based on a spaces and create a list of the string, and the map function which we are using in this to convert each string into an integer. Finally, we are using a list function that convert the result into a list of integers. So our next line is even list equal to, here we are create an empty list to store an even numbers. That's why I am using here even list equals to, this is empty. Now in next line we are using for loop for num in numbers. It means this for loop used to go through each number in the list. Our next condition is num modulo 2 equal to 0. It means this check if the number is even. If a number is divisible by 2, it is even. That's why I am using here num modulo 2 equal to 0. In next line, even list append num. It means if the number is even, we add it to the even list using append. Append function is used to add the number in a list. In our last print statement, which is print even numbers, here with the help of this print statement we are printing our even numbers from the original list. So this is a very simple way to filter even numbers using for loop and condition in Python. So now let's execute this program. So run. Here enter the number separated by the space. So we are enter number here with the along with the space, which is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now enter. Here we can clearly see that our number is separated in a single list along with the even number. So here in this list our even number is 2 4 6. So in a final list our even number is 2 4 and 6. So like that you have to write in the examination along with the proper explanation and output also. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.